Hey there, tech enthusiasts. In this tutorial, I will cover the fundamental concepts of data science, providing a comprehensive understanding of this exciting field. I will explore the key concepts and techniques that will help you gain a deeper understanding of working in data science. Whether you are just starting out or looking to expand your skills, this tutorial is designed to provide a comprehensive and easy to follow introduction. So, let's start by understanding what data science is all about. Data science is a multidisciplinary field that combines aspects of computer science, statistics, mathematics, and domain specific knowledge to extract insights and knowledge from data. Now that we know what data science is, let's explore its key characteristics. Data science has several key characteristics, including data intensive. Data science relies heavily on data to extract insights. Secondly, it is interdisciplinary. Data science combines concepts from computer science, statistics, mathematics, and domain specific knowledge. Thirdly, it is analytical. Data science involves using various analytical techniques to extract insights from data. And lastly, it is computational. Data science relies on computational power to process and analyze large data sets. With these characteristics in mind, let's look at the different types of data science. There are several types of data science, including descriptive data science. Now, what is descriptive data science? It focuses on describing what happened in the past. Next, what is diagnostic data science? Focuses on understanding why something happened. The third one, predictive data science, focuses on predicting what will happen in the future. And the last type of data science, which is prescriptive data science, focuses on recommending actions to take. Now that we have explored the introduction to data science, let's dive into its fundamentals. The first fundamental concept is data collection. Data collection is the process of gathering data from various sources such as databases, APIs, files, and sensors. Once we have collected the data, the next step is to ensure its quality. This is where cleaning comes in. Data cleaning involves identifying and correcting errors, handling missing values, and removing duplicates to ensure the data is accurate and reliable. With clean data in hand, we can now move on to data analysis. Data analysis involves using statistical and machine learning techniques to extract insights from the data. Finally, once we have extracted insights from the data, we need to communicate them effectively. Insight communication involves presenting findings in a clear and actionable way using data visualization, reporting, and storytelling techniques to inform business decisions or drive action. Now that we have covered the fundamentals of data science, let's explore the data science process. The first stage is problem formulation, where we identify a problem or question that can be answered with data. Once we have formulated the problem, the next stage is data wrangling. Data wrangling involves gathering, cleaning, and preparing the data for analysis. After wrangling the data, the next stage is exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis involves using statistical and visual techniques to understand the data. With a solid understanding of the data, the next stage is modeling. Modeling involves using machine learning and statistical techniques to build models that can make predictions or recommendations. Once we have built the models, the next stage is evaluation. Evaluation involves assessing the performance of the models to ensure they are accurate and reliable. Finally, once we have evaluated the models, the last stage is deployment. Deployment involves putting the models into production where they can be used to inform business decisions or drive action. To perform data science tasks, we need to use various tools and techniques. Let's start with programming languages. Data scientists use programming languages like Python, R, and SQL to write code and perform analysis. In addition to programming languages, data scientists also use data visualization tools to communicate insights effectively. Some popular data visualization tools include Tableau, Power BI, and D3JS. Machine learning algorithms are another crucial tool in data science. These algorithms enable data scientists to build models that can make predictions or recommendations. Some common machine learning algorithms include linear regression, decision trees, and clustering. Finally, big data technologies play a vital role in handling large data sets. Data scientists use big data technologies like Hadoop, Spark, and new NoSQL databases to store, process, and analyze massive amounts of data. Now that we have explored the tools and techniques used in data science, let's take a look at its various applications. Data science has a wide range of applications, including in healthcare, predictive analytics can be used for disease diagnosis and treatment. In finance, data science is used for risk management and portfolio optimization. In marketing, data science can be used for customer segmentation and personalized recommendations. In sports, data science is used to analyze player and team performance. That's it for this video on introduction to data science. I hope this video has provided a comprehensive understanding of the fundamental concepts of data science. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more data science content.